Konnichiwa! Today, we're going to do a $5 dinner challenge. We went to Walmart and we spent $3.50 on a chicken, and also the rest ingredients we spent a total of $5. We're going to make Japanese Chicken Katsu, dinner for two. Let's begin.
There's a layer of saran wrap on the counter, and place your chicken on the saran wrap. Leave some space around the chicken because it's going to expand as it flattens. Take a rolling pin and start to hit it. We're going to smash down our chicken so it gets really thin. It's a great way to relieve stress. Now let's take a look at this. It's gotten nice and thin. We're ready to move to the next step. Fill one plate with about 1 cup of flour. Fill a second plate with about 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Scramble your eggs. Add about 1/4 cup of whole milk. Sprinkle in about half a teaspoon of garlic powder into your panko crumbs, and grind some pepper into your panko crumbs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to your panko crumbs. Season your chicken with salt and pepper. Now you're going to dredge your chicken in the flour. After that, dredge it in the egg and milk mixture, and straight from the egg mixture, put it into the panko crumbs. Our first chicken absorbed a lot of panko crumbs, so I need to refill the plate with panko crumbs. Our oil is over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so we can put in our katsu. We're going to do one at a time. It's going to cook until it's golden brown.
Sit. Good boy, good boy. Beautiful color.
Let this sit for about a minute before you start to cut into it. Take your katsu with the tongs and cut it into strips. Grab your katsu, put it on a plate.
What time is it?
Katsu time!
Let's try it. Personally, I like to dip it in ketchup. Cheers.
Cheers!
Mmm. Did you hear that crunchy sound? Wow, it's crunchy outside, juicy inside. Our $5 meal is a success. Make sure you make it at home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!